Hi, I'm Frances with Lakeshore. In today's teaching tip, we'll be talking about addition and using some amazing visuals and hands-on tools to represent and solve addition problems. Let's see how things add up with these great Lakeshore items. For addition practice, students love the It's a Snap Simple Addition Math Center to represent problems with objects. They grab an addition board and count out the number of snap-on counters that correspond to the color-coded numbers. Then, the counters are snapped right onto the bottom of the board, and finding the sum is a snap. With 20 durable boards and 60 counters, students can see and solve problems in a concrete way. Whether you're working with a whole class or a small group, the jumbo magnetic 10 frames are ideal. Stick the 10 frames onto a magnetic board and begin exploring so many essential math concepts, including making 10, addition and subtraction, and more than, less than. With 4 10 frames and 40 counters in 2 colors, you'll get all your students visualizing those base 10 number concepts. Have some hands-on building fun with the Build a Number houses. Your students will love how the set of 42 hardwood blocks make it easy to count and visualize quantities 1 to 10. Students choose 2 base blocks with quantities of windows that add up to the target number. Then, they place the correct roof right on top. Each roof block features a numeral on one side and the corresponding number word on the back. Pair up students to practice Friends of 10 by building different combinations that total 10, or have them practice saying number sentences aloud. Give your addition practice that hands-on touch with these math tools that help students visualize the concepts.